Okay, 25th of November 2025. Trade plan for the day. So yesterday the market played exactly as per trade plan. Today we're going to keep it simple. There's nothing, well, we're going to keep it simple every day. There's nothing here where I can suggest like yesterday it's 100% needs to be taken. We've kind of ran into this gap off that off that massive short. So coming into today, I'm going to see what the New York brings to the table. London, I'd say we're going to probably fall short. That fib's not doing anything. It's just something I drew last night. So you can see on that full range, we've probably got a load low in there, but it's nothing substantial. So I'd say full range fib that we're moving here. We broke through the 62 there, and we're quite shy of the 78. So maybe if we hold above the 62, we can run the 78. But I'd like some support of the high to high at the bare minimum to prove that to me. So you can see there where we're running through levels. So if we take this high to high at the most extreme point, I'm going to want this range to come and get filled, maybe even all the way down before I look to go back long. Pulling that into the full, it's almost a 38%. So I do quite like that. It's 580s back to 25,009. So in terms of ATR, it's very much achievable, right? Running down here on a full fib, down to 450s, and then back up to there in a single trading day, it's pushing things. I wouldn't like to trade that. I'd like a bit of a move back long, maybe into a VWAP, but it's not something that I'm going to be looking to trade that full swing. That's just too much of a push on the ATR for me. And now before the open, we've got PPI half an hour after the open. I'm not too fussed about that. Consumer confidence, I'm not worried about that. I'll trade into that. I'll happily hold a trade into that. PPI is pre-market anyway, so let's see where that shakes us about. If London can drop us through here, let's say we come down here. We don't have to come down here. We don't have to come as far as there. But if we can come down there, essentially keep taking levels up and then get a high to high internal there through to the 78. Then I'd like to take the 78, and then you've also got the 23 here, which if this holds, right, if this range holds, that's our negative 23. If we fall shorter for a period of time, so we get candle body closes on the 515 below, then it won't be this draw. So it won't be that negative 23. You'd have to pull it back. You'd have to pull it back and find your most extreme. And what I mean by that is, if price came to this line, let's draw a more extreme. If price just came to that line, this is invalid, clearly. So pull it down, that's invalid. The full one, okay, yeah, that's a 62. But if I go on that high from the very first pivot and I catch more of a deeper 62, then that's the 23 that I target. But I couldn't target that for today because we're not going to get down there and back up there. That's when you start questioning again, are we going to fall short? Are we going to carry on going long? Very, very easy to trade when we're down here. Like yesterday, we hadn't even closed out on the 50. It was dead obvious what was going to happen for the day. Today's a little bit less obvious, but there's one thing that I can be sure of. I'm still going to end today green. So I'll come back today. I'll record the recap of whatever went on, what we did. May even record May even record the trades live and post those with the guys. In fact, that's probably something that I'm going to start doing. So, yeah. One thing's for sure, mark my words, today I will be green on the day.